Imagine your phone interrupting a call mid-sentence and basically saying, "Yeah, this is a scam. No apps to open. No reports to file." It just catches it in real time. That's scam detection, one of the smartest Pixel features Google has ever shipped. And until now, it's been locked firmly inside Pixel phones. But new evidence suggests that might be about to change. And Samsung could be first in line. Deep inside the latest version of Google's phone app, there are references that shouldn't be there. Alongside Pixel 9 and Pixel 10 codenames, we're suddenly seeing Samsung model numbers. Specifically what look like the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. And right next to them, a feature code named Sharpie, which just so happens to be Google's internal name for scam detection. That's a pretty big deal. Right now, scam detection works by listening for scam-like behavior during calls, texts, and even chats, then warning you instantly if something feels off. On newer Pixels, it's powered by Gemini Nano running completely on-device, which means your conversations never leave your phone. Older Pixels use Google's own machine learning models, but the idea is the same: fast, private, and terrifyingly accurate. If Samsung really is bringing this to the Galaxy S26 series, it could mean those phones are getting access to the same on-device AI processing that Pixels use. And that raises a much bigger question. Samsung phones don't actually ship with Google's phone app. They use Samsung's own dialer. Sure, you can download Google Phone from the Play Store, but it runs as a normal app, not a System 1. And scam detection likely needs deeper permissions to work properly. So for this to make sense, Samsung would either need to preload Google Phone as the default dialer, or somehow integrate Google's scam tech directly into its own app. And while that sounds wild, it's not unprecedented. Back in 2024, Samsung quietly ditched Samsung Messages in favor of Google Messages, mainly to fix the mess around RCS. That move made technical sense, and it happened faster than most people expected. Doing the same with the dialer would be a much bigger shift, but if Google is offering Samsung access to one of its most exclusive AI features, that might be enough to make it happen. Of course, none of this is official yet. Google hasn't said a word. Samsung hasn't confirmed anything. This could still be a test that never sees the light of day. But the fact that Galaxy S26 models are already showing up next to Pixel devices in Google's own app is very hard to ignore. And all of this is happening at the perfect time because we're officially entering Samsung season. According to a new leak from Ice Universe, who's been incredibly reliable over the years, Samsung is planning to host its Galaxy S26 Unpacked event on February 25th. Pre-sale registrations could start the next day, followed by full pre-orders in early March, with phones hitting stores around March 11th. These dates are for Korea, but Samsung usually sticks pretty close to the same schedule worldwide. On top of that, S26 rumors are piling up fast. The Ultra alone is rumored to get new colors, Qi 2 charging, a next-gen privacy display that might literally kill off screen protectors, and a refined design that already looks premium from leaked images. None of it screams revolution, but that's kind of where smartphones are right now. Iteration over reinvention. And honestly, if Samsung nails the fundamentals and quietly adds something like real-time scam detection on top, that might matter more than another camera tweak. So yeah, if this leak turns out to be real, the Galaxy S26 series could end up being the first non-Pixel phones to get one of Google's smartest AI features ever. And that would be a pretty major shift in how exclusive Pixel software actually is. What do you think? Should Samsung ditch its dialer and go all in with Google Phone, or keep things the way they are? Let me know down below and I'll catch you in the next one.